Alright, new inventory just in. 2017 Toyota Sienna XLE VMI Summit Handicap wheelchair conversion van. This is a power fold-out side entry wheelchair conversion with lowered floor, dual power doors. Is XLE. It's loaded out with leather, sunroof. Very, very nice van. Clean Carfax, clean history, clean title. Beautiful metallic red XLE, fully loaded out. Again, visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Happy to help at any time. We're 47 years in business. This has sunroof, leather, rear entertainment, TV, power fold-out ramp. We are a Brownability certified dealer and service center. We do sell new and used vans. We're 47 years in business and we only have the best vans in the world. Every single van we buy and sell gets serviced. This actually was a trade-in on a new van. 161,000 miles. It was locally owned, highway miles all the way, because the van is in excellent shape. It's one of our good customers. He bought a brand new Toyota Sienna from us and traded this one in. This is a VMI Summit conversion, which is a really good conversion. It is a power side entry fold out conversion. Leathered out, clean Carfax, clean title, no stories, no accidents. Very, very nice clean van. It will be priced correctly. We can ship anywhere in the world. We do accept any types of trade-ins. Just let us know how we can help. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken if you have any questions or concerns. You can call or text us to 954-561-2499. Give us a like, give us a follow. You can find us on all the platforms: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. 47 years in business. We only have 5-star reviews. We try to buy and sell the best vans in the world. We do sell new and used vans and conversions. If you need hand controls, adaptive controls, any lockdown systems, we do all of that in-house. You let us know. We're happy to help you at any time. It's a very, very nice, clean van. Got your Q-straight tie-down system. Does have your extra seat belt. Everything is here. This is plug and play, ready to go. I wouldn't hesitate to drive this van to California today. We are in sunny Boca Raton, Florida. It's a beautiful day here. As you can see, the van comes with 2 keys, all the original manuals. It's very, very nice. All the leather is in nice shape. It's a non-smoker. There's no issues, no stories, and also no rust whatsoever. Clean all the way around, as you can see. Carpet's nice, flooring's nice. It's got rubber flooring. Does have a kneel down system as well. Everything works and functions exactly the way it's supposed to. You can operate this with the key fob as well as the button on the dash and the door openers on the side. Everything is working and functioning. Van drives excellent. Tires are better than 50% good. Again, no rust, no issues. Things ready to go. Tire condition's good. No shakes. Drives beautifully. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Don't hesitate to call, text, or email us at any time. We'll price this thing to sell. 2017 Toyota Sienna XLE, loaded out, sunroof. You know where to find us. Happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Thank you.